Literature book, children. Pick up your pencil also. Literature book, right? Did you all attend the Hindi class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pick up your pencils, children. Open to page 22. We will underline the difficult words today in literature and then we'll do them in a rough register.
Page 32.
22, beta. Chapter Being Selfish. Being selfish, right? Are you ready with your pencil? Arslan, you joined today. Nice. Arna, you have also joined today. That's very nice. Okay. Ready, children? Please give me a thumbs up sign if you are ready. The first word is selfish. It's on page number 22. The first word is selfish. SELFISH. The first word selfish. 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 Good. Underline the second word. Fruits on the same page. FRUITS. FRUITS. Next word, afternoon. Afternoon. Underlined afternoon. Number 4, awake. 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 Akshay, please underline, child. Akshay, underline. Ekagri, you have missed out the words. I will call them out again. For the time being, you join from where the class is doing. Turn to page 22 of your literature book. I will call out all the words again, children, so don't worry if you miss out anything. Number 5. Number 5, scolds. 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 That is on page number 23. Scolds is on page number 23.
53.
I will call out all the words again, Vidushi. I will call out all the words again, children. Please wait. If you have joined late, don't worry. I'll be calling out all the words from number 1 again. So जहाँ से आप ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं आप वहीं से अंडरलाइन करना शुरू कर दीजिए. ओके? जहाँ से आपने ज्वाइन किया है वहीं से अंडरलाइन कीजिए. मैं नंबर 1 से फिर से कॉल आउट करूँगी. Scolds is number 5. Number 6 is sorry. S-O-R-R-Y. S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry.
Dead man. Ma'am, please. Dead man.
Number 7, sick. S-I. Nishkarth, don't do that. Take your pencil out of your mouth. S-I-C-K, sick. S-I-C-K, sick.
Dead man.
Akshita, please don't say that because then when you switch on the mic, others can't hear me. S-I-C-K, sick. Number 8, tummy, same page. T-U-M-M-Y. T-U-M-M-Y. Tummy. Number 9, pains. P-A-I-N-S. Pains. P-A-I-N-S. Pains.
Ma'am, फिर से बता दीजिए, repeat.
P-A-I-N-S, pains is number 9. And number 10 is punishment. P-U-N-I-S-H-M-E-N-T. Punishment. P-U-N-I-S-H
Please repeat 1 to 5.
M-E-N-T. Children, when I'm speaking, please do not speak. I said I will call out all the words again. Now all those who joined late, जिन्होंने late join करा है, page 22 खोलिए. मैं word number 1 से फिर call out करूँगी. Please underline that word. जो word आपने miss out कर दिया है, उसको underline करना है आपको. Please start again, children. Those who have done will revise the word. Those who missed out the word will now underline the word. The first word, selfish. S-E-L-F-I-S-H. Please don't say ma'am in between. Now I'm speaking very clearly. I said, Vidushi, please do not interrupt in between. Even if one child switches on the mic, no one can hear me then clearly. The first word is selfish on page 22. The next word, number 2, is fruits. Number 2 is fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Number 3 is afternoon. A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N. Afternoon. Number 4, awake. A-W-A-K-E. 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 Awake. Number 4, scolds. S-C-O-L-D-S. Number 5. I left out afternoon, children. I left out afternoon. Now number 3. Number 3 is afternoon. A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N. Afternoon. Number 4 is awake. Number 5 is scolds. S-C-O-L-D-S. Scolds. Number 6, sorry. S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry. Number 7, sick. S-I-C-K. Sick. Number 7, S-I-C-K. Sick. Number 8, tummy. T-U-M-M-Y. T-U-M-M-Y. Tummy. Number 9, pains. P-A-I-N-S. Pains. And number 10, punishment. P-U-N-I-S-H-M-E-N-T. Children, you have underlined the words. I'm sending you the words on WhatsApp also. Okay, I'm sending you the words on WhatsApp also. Take out your rough register and write today's date. Write the name of the chapter, being selfish, and then write each word 3 times, and then you will send me the work. I'm sending you the work. Please don't write the date that is written over here. You will write today's date, that is 27/21. In this it's written 19, but you will write I'm sending you on WhatsApp. Please check your WhatsApp also.
मैम ये रफ कॉपी में करना है?
You have to do this in your rough register, beta. You have to do this in your rough register. You have to do this in your rough register.
No, मैंने सेंड किया है। जो वर्ड्स मान वो मैंने सेंड
Whose mic is switched on? Whose mic is switched on? Start writing, children. Please start writing. And while you are writing, children, I'll be taking your attendance. Okay? Okay, children. Ishanvi, beta, right. Ishanvi, right child.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
इस वक्त क्या है?
फिर से बोलो बेटा.
इस वक्त को 3 times करना है.
Each word, check your WhatsApp, beta. I've sent in WhatsApp also. Each word is to be written 3 times. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children. Your attendance, please. Adya Verma. Adya.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Achint.
आधार
Achint Malhotra.
Present, ma'am.
Adyan.
Present, ma'am.
Achint, you are present? Yes, beta. Achint, sorry, Adyan. Advait.
Present, ma'am.
Akshat. Akshat, yes, you are there, child. I've got your attendance. Akshay. Akshay. Yes, Akshay.
Present, ma'am.
Good. Akshita. Akshita, Akshita is present, yes. Arna, Arna Raj. Arna, I saw you somewhere. Arna,
Present, ma'am.
yes. Akshita, Akshita, I know you are present, child.
Present, ma'am.
Arslan is present. Ayansh Rastogi,
Present, ma'am.
Ayansh Rastogi,
Present, ma'am.
Devansh,
Present, ma'am.
Ekagra,
Present, ma'am.
Fazilat,
Present, ma'am.
Hanifa,
Present, ma'am.
Hashmi,
Present, ma'am.
Havira, Ishanvi,
Present, ma'am.
Jennifer, Jennifer,
Present, ma'am.
Laiba,
Present, ma'am.
Lavik, Mahira, Mahira, you, yes, you are there right now. Abdullah, Abdullah is absent today also. Yes. Yasir, Yasir,
Present, ma'am.
where are you?
Present.
Yes, yes, you are there, Yasir. Hussein, Hussein,
Present. No.
Ismail,
खराब हो गई है
Ismail Warsi, Izan Siddiqui,
Present, ma'am.
very big present, huh, Izan? I like it. Mahira Tandon, Myra, are you there? Nabiha, Nabiha,
Present, ma'am.
Naima,
Present, ma'am.
Nishkat,
Present, ma'am.
Saida, Saida, Shayan,
मैम आपने मेरी प्रेजेंट लगाई
Shayan, Shayan,
प्रेजेंट मैम
Sukhnur,
प्रेजेंट मैम
Sukhnur, where are you?
प्रेजेंट मैम
Yes, Sukhnur is there. Swastik, Tasmia, Veronica, Veronica,
प्रेजेंट मैम
Vidushi,
प्रेजेंट
Vidushi,
मैम
yes. Viraj, Viraj Gupta, Yashwardhan, Yashwardhan Pathak, Yes, beta, you are present. Yatharth? Yatharth, are you present, child? Okay, Yatharth is... Yatharth, are you there somewhere? Supnoor, switch off your mic, child. Supnoor, switch off your mic. Okay, children. Complete this work. Send it to me, not in the group, but on the personal this thing. And then take a break. And then we'll meet again in the last period. Akshita, when I'm speaking, for God's sake, child, please do not interrupt. आप लोग अपना काम खत्म करके मुझे पर्सनल इनबॉक्स में भेजिए, and then you can take a break. We will meet in the last period.